Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Primary Math Concept with Teacher Ben. Okay, today we're going to touch on P5 Tong SA2 2019 Paper 2 Question 7. So let's get started. Okay, first let's interpret the question. Okay, Susan spent 1/7 of her money and additional $6 on a pair of shoes. She spent 1/5 of her remaining money and additional $8 on the dress. She had $40 left. How much money did she have at first? Okay, so there's a few things that we notice while we are trying to interpret the question. Okay, so first we notice that there's a word additional. Okay, additional and involve a fraction. Okay, then after that she spent 1/5 of her remaining money, so that's a remaining concept here. So with an additional again $8 on the dress, so she left with $40. So we need to find the amount of money that she have at first. So from this, right, we will be able to identify the concept here. So first we have the remaining concept and also additional. So here we consider this under a concept called part whole, and we call it a type 3 concept. So the best way to do this question is actually to draw a model. So I'm going to show you the visual part of this question. So first thing, we need to draw a model with a total of 7 units first. So let me just draw it on the spot. So I'm going to cut this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 units. Additional $6. So I'm going to use another color to represent the $6. So I'm going to have a $6 here. So $6. So from here to here will represent the shoes that she spent on. Okay. Then from here, I'm going to draw the remaining model, which is the part whole part. And this time around, I'm going to cut it into 5 units. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Now I'm going to use another color to represent the additional $8. So let's put it here. So this is the $8. And from here to here will be representing the dress that she bought. Now from the remaining part here, which is the leftover, will be equal to the $40 that she left with in the end, right? Now, most importantly, remember to put your question mark in the model so that we know what we are finding. So this will be the question mark. Okay. Now, by looking at the model, you can actually totally ignore what you have for the text here. So looking at the model, we will know how we go about doing and solve the question. Now, this is a part whole type 3. So what we do is, after we draw the model, then we do a working backwards. So if you look at the beige color drawing, so this is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. So this is $40 represent 3 and slightly more than 3 units for the beige color. So in order to make it a complete 4 units, we need to add this $8. So I will take $40 plus $8 and I will get 8. So this represents 4 beige units, right? So I want to find one of them. So let's take 48 divided by 4. Now this is a paper 2 question, so you can press your calculator and you get $12. So this will give me one unit, that will be 12. So I'm going to find 5 units because the denominator shows 5, right? So I'll take 12 times 5. That will give me 60. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line to represent that this is for the remaining model. Now I'm going to go to the original model here. So after getting $60, this means that from here to here, this part here, it represents $60. So I just put an arrow here to say that this is actually representing 60. So I'm going to add this $6. So I take $60, I add a $6 here. So this will give me $66. Okay, this $66 will represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue units. Sorry, this $6 represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Sorry. So I'll take 66 divided by 6. Then I will get $11 for one blue unit. So the question is asking for how much money she have at first. So at first there will be 7 units if you look at the denominator here. So let's take 11 times 7. So I'm going to get $77. So this will be the answer that I have. So I identify the concept as part whole tree, then I'll implement the methodology. So the methodology will be you draw the model first. Okay, then after that, try to use different color if you can. If not, what my recommendation is this part of the line you can use a dotted line to draw, and this part also can use a dotted line to draw, so that you know that where is your units. So that's one way, or you use another color if your teacher allow you to do that. Okay, so after finish doing the question, so try to inspect. So first thing I need to ensure that I cut the units correctly. This is 7, so I need to cut 7 units for the blue part. And the beige part I will cut into 5 units. Okay, then and ensure that the 6 here is using correctly, $8 and $40, so that we don't have any transfer error. Well, next thing we're going to calculate. Look at the calculation again. So to ensure that we didn't make any careless mistake in terms of calculation. Now, last thing we can do is use this answer, 77. Then you can work towards work forward. So what I'm going to do is I will use my calculator. So let's say I'm doing an inspection. So I will take $77. So I will divide by 7. Sorry, I'll divide by 7. So I'll get 1 unit as $11. Okay, $11. Then I will take $11 plus $6. That will give me $17. Then take my $77, the total minus away $17. That will give me $60. So this will represent the remaining model. Then I will take 60 divided by 5, because the denominator here is 5, right? So again, I'll get 12. So I will take $12 plus $8. I'll get 20. Then I'll take $60, which is the total of the remainder minus away $20. Then you notice that I'll get back to 40, which is the amount that she left with, right? And this actually matched to the question here. So it matched to the question there. So this tells me that, oh, with my answer, and when I use it to actually work forward, I will get the same amount that's left behind. So I'm pretty sure that I'm getting the correct answer. So this is the way that you can use to do your inspection for this question. Okay, so that's the end for the presentation for this question. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers. So you can also follow us on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. Now, if you have any question, feel free to actually put it down in the comments box below. Or if you want us to actually present other questions, feel free to let us know. So that's the end for today's video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.